What's up, guys? So today I'll be teaching you guys how to get the Xeno Executor, otherwise known as one of the best executors on the market. So let's begin. So there will be a link in the description. You can either type in Xeno Executor or go to that link. If you're on Windows, you click on this. Now I spelled download wrong, seriously. But there will be a little box. It'll take you to link first, I'm pretty sure. And to download it, that's what you have to do. So, download for Windows. Now you scroll all the way down here, and you look at the UI settings, which I'm going to tell you all of them real quick. Auto attach, topmost, client check frequency, execution listener interval, execution listener timeout. And then if you don't feel like listening to me and take the easy route, you can read all this. So for example, there's 3 of these links, but they're basically all the same. So I'm just going to install this one. And you have to wait like 30 seconds to until you can download it. So yeah. Let's go ahead and give it about 10 more seconds, and we will download it. Sorry, I literally just woke up and I felt like doing this video. Okay, and then you gotta click to download this, and then once it's all done, don't mind any of these, but once it's all done, you got to click on the open thing. Okay. God dang it. Hold on. And then I change it to that. Okay. So now basically what you have to do is you click extract, wait for it to be 100%, click on this. Well, I don't know if you have to freeze it, but it'll be okay. Okay, so now what happens next is you go to your Explorer, your File Explorer, and once you get to your File Explorer, basically what you want to do is you want to go to Downloads. Wait, first, you need to before you download it, you need to take off your firewall. I've had this before. I know I'm not a trusted person inside the scripting community, but still, it works perfectly fine. So now you click on this, you go down here, you don't click on any of this, unless you want to see the scripts for some reason, and the auto executor. But first you click on this. Oh yeah, and you need the .net. Okay. So now, as you can see, hold on. Nope. Get off my screen. Sorry. And then, as you can see, all I have to do is just watch as it works. Just watch as it does its thing. Okay. There we go. And then you just type in your script and all that. I already have some scripts, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there's like Dex, Infinite Yield, Sine Wave, Spinning Donut, UNC check, which we will be doing the UNC check here in a second. So, let's get into a game in where I can check the UNC. Oh yeah, I almost got banned in prison life the other day, but I'll be okay, because that was my other account. I do recommend using I do recommend using an alt account for this because you could get banned by Roblox, which isn't very good. So let's go ahead and change the screen over to Roblox, and we're gonna check the UNC. Oh, holy moly! Hold on. I'm using OBS Studio, so it's kind of weird. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, so now what you want to do is, if you want to click the UNC, all you have to do next or slash now is you go over to your executor, which mine's on the second screen. You click on like the little scroll thing, and then you click on UNC check, and then make sure you're attached, of course. So for example, you see that? That means it's attached. So next, you want to click F9. Oh, okay, that'll be okay. And then you click the sender button. It looks like a paper airplane. And then scroll down. Ooh, that's not too bad. That's not too bad right there. 80%. I might use OBS for my everyday screen recorder though. That's a good idea. Hold on. And then, for example, why is this kid killing me? And then, for example, click on open if you want to do like infinite yield. Give it a couple of seconds. Hold on, sorry. Give it a couple of seconds, and then it should work. And thank you guys for watching and listening to my thing. Yeah, my thing. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll link the Xeno Executor in the description. So you guys have a very nice day. Okay? Peace.